We've been talking all morning, perhaps that's why we're going mad now. We're talking about Britain's Got Talent. It's been excellent. Who can forget the little girl who stole our hearts on last year's show? She was then just 6 years of age. Connie Talbot wowed the audience. She was unbelievable, as well as melting Simon Cowell's heart with her rather beautiful voice and her adorable manner as well.
Yeah, she was pipped at the post by Paul Potts, but then she went on to have huge success. She's here. She's now 7. She's singing her new single, Three Little Birds.
Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Thank you, Connie, and the backing singers.
Thank you very much indeed. Yes, a now veteran showbiz personality there. Look at what you've done to poor Amanda over here. You see, Connie, what you do is...
You did that for your babies!
I know you did. Hello, Amanda. It must be very difficult to watch all this emotional stuff.
Darling, I just, I'm spent. I'm completely peaked. I don't know how I'm going to cope with tonight and the final.
No, exactly right.
Oh,
exactly
Connie,
right.
that was marvellous.
We'll let Connie...
It's not tonight, the final. It's tomorrow, just thought I'd tell
I've
you.
got another show tonight. I don't know how I'm going to cope.
Oh, right, OK,
It's
sorry.
an emotional roller coaster.
It really is. Hello. How are you?
Are you all right?
Yeah. Hey, what memories do you... Hello, by the way. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Was that okay? Did you enjoy doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you love singing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there anything in the world you want to do more than sing?
No.
No. Have you been all around the place singing over the last year?
Yeah.
Where's the best place you've been?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
And you're a big star, like, in other countries as well, aren't you? Yes,
You just went platinum in Taiwan, didn't you?
Incredible.
Yes, it's incredible.
Yeah, she's a
Unbelievable.
star.
And her second album, isn't it? It's not your first one.
Oh, no.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Connie, that's not your real hair, though, is it? That's somebody else's hair, isn't it? Just give it a little bit of a tug, it'll just come straight off.
It's real. It's real.
And it's her real colour.